Hello everyone, welcome back. Today, a pretty nice day. We're gonna pull the old WD out and put the 3-point bale mover on it and see if we can pick up a bale or if I'm gonna have to hang some weights off the front of it. I have a feeling I'm gonna have to hang some weights off of it, but we're gonna try it. So let's see what happens. Well, I'd say that was a success. Really surprised me. I didn't figure that thing would pick it up. I knew the hydraulics were stout enough, but I really figured it was gonna try to rear up on us more than it did. Did get a little bit light in the front end when I first took off, and I do need to get an adjustable top link to make the bale mover set just a little more level. That's, like I said, that's all I had out here. I thought I had a regular adjustable top link somewhere, but I can't find it for the life of me. So, but anyway, we're gonna go to town after a while and probably get some actual pins instead of those bolts that are in it. And the top link, we'll figure out a way to mount some weights on the front of it. A couple 100 pounds or so, probably all we need. We'll have a way to move hay. Won't have to bring pickup out here all the time. So anyway, in case y'all are wondering if a Alice Chalmers WD will pick up a round bale, we just proved it will. So thank y'all for watching. We'll see you next time.